So if the first of all, I would like to request you to introduce yourself shortly, please, with your name, your education, your address, just only, please.
Hi there, Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Kajitikar Amjiti, and I'm reading in class 8, and I'm from Kumilla, Bangladesh.
Okay, so you're in just class 8. Okay, so if the just a very true and frank question, that is, how do you know me?
Actually, since childhood, when my father admitted in your school, Kiddie Friday School, and since then I know you, and till now I am
Oh
here.
yes, Kiddie Friday School. Yep, Alhamdulillah. Yep, I remember my Kiddie Friday School. আমি স্টুডেন্ট এডমিশন নিতাম 5 to 14, যে আপনি 5-6 বছরের বাচ্চাদেরকে আপনি ইংলিশ শেখাবেন। আসলে ওই সময়ের জন্য it was really a joke. Although now it's been proven that yep, it's definitely possible for the kids. Even kids learn faster than an adult one. বরং এখন অ্যাডাল্টের চেয়ে কিডসরাই ভালো শিখছে, and you are one of the burning examples in that sense. Well, my third question for you. Why are you taking preparation on IELTS at this age of class 8? What is your intention and why are you doing this actually?
Actually, it has two reasons. Firstly, as I am learning English from childhood, and the progress is being with you still, and as I have done many courses from you, like phonetics, grammars, and pronunciation-based course, so I took your help and asked you that which will be better for me next. And you also encouraged me and told me that I should take the IELTS course for my betterment in speaking, and also in other sectors like writing, reading, and listening. Because I was, a medium in speaking, but I had to improve my writing, reading, and other skills. So IELTS would have been a better one for me. And you also told me that.
Okay, and what was your next plan? Now you have completed my spoken English course, phonetics course, basic grammar and writing course. Now you are doing my IELTS course. So what's your next plan? Actually, it's my curiosity to know from you that are you, because I don't have some other course, some other advanced course after IELTS. I have nothing after IELTS. So then what can I do for you? And what's your thinking that you are aiming to do after IELTS preparatory course?
Actually, I'm thinking that I could do the IELTS for 3 to 4 years if it is sufficient, and after intermediate, I'm planning to go in a well-developed country, good country.
I see. Okay, so is your long cherished dream that you are going to receive higher degrees from foreign universities? Oh, lovelier, and alhamdulillah that you are aiming something bigger, something better, something worldwide. Okay, so it means that your IELTS preparation for 2 reasons. Number one, your overall improvement in English. You are a good speaker in English speaking, but you realized that I need to at a time improve my reading, writing, and listening also in English. That's because you are preparing for IELTS. Okay, and second intention is you have a dream to move to any foreign university for your bachelor or master's. Then for that reason, you are also preparing yourself for IELTS, and you are thinking that if it takes 4 years or 5 years, it doesn't matter, but you will be attached with me. যেই কোর্সটা বাংলাদেশের যারা হায়ার ডিগ্রিজ অলরেডি শেষ করেছে, অনার্স মাস্টার্স বা অনেক হায়ার প্রফেশনালস, তারাই মূলত নিয়ে থাকে। তো এই যে কাজটা করছো, আই নো দ্যাট ইউ হ্যাভ সাম ওয়ার্কস, আই অলওয়েজ প্রোভাইড ইউ সাম হোমওয়ার্ক, then you have assignments, you have writing tasks, you have some feedback sessions, you have language clubs. So actually managing everything is not that much easy. I do believe so. But you are doing that. How is it affecting in your academic life when you are preparing for IELTS?
Actually, sir, I have organized a good routine, and every single work is included that, and I have to manage all of them, and I manage them really well, and it's not hampering my studies. However, it is helping in my studies in my English as first part and second part. If there is any passage, if there is any writing, so I don't have to memorize them. I can write them with my own knowledge, and also understand the reading passages, which I couldn't do before really well, but I'm improving now. and it
Wow.
also really helps in my academic studies.
Wow. Yeah, brilliant. Yes, that's really very crucial fact to be acknowledged. But along with your those tight schedules, you are doing this IELTS preparatory course as well. So for this, you are following your daily routine, and you said it's also helping you to overcome your English phobias, your English obstacles in your academic purpose. So you said that is helping you massively even for your academic English first paper and second paper. And yep, of course, for reading, I bet you for reading for your academic, you have essay writing, paragraph writing, and also graph and chart writing. And in IELTS, we have graph and chart writing, we have essay writing, and these writings are worldwide standard. Not only your academic level or Bangladesh standard, these are worldwide recognized standard English writing. So if you can understand my techniques, and if you go through lots of writings, and if you are confident enough to write these types of paragraphs for writing task 1 and essays for writing task 2, I do believe you might not have any difficulties for your academic English first paper and second paper in particular. And then I'm gonna just ask you the last question. That is, what would be your feedback about my online private batch, as you are a part of my online private batch? What would be your recommendation or your feedback for me?
uh, the it's a really great class, and you are teaching it in online. And I would say if it is in online, it is better though, because in if it was in offline, people have many responsibilities and many works to do. So many time would go and many time wouldn't work as well. So and if it is an online, so they have a really good chance to manage their time well, and also do it really quickly and with all of the good things.
Okay, and yep, that's really interesting. Yep, actually, online has this extra blessing if someone understands. Also, our people do not like to understand. They think, yep, if it is offline, it's a physical class, then it means that everything. But when it's all about online class, some people think that no, maybe it's one kind of cheating, because Bangladeshi, most of the students, they not only students, the guardians, they think online class means there would be some recording classes, and I will pay, and then there won't be anything. But I just from my experience, as you are interacting in the class always, as these are live classes, I don't think that you are missing me there. Yep, if Sir was in the physical class like before, I think in online class you are not missing this thing, because it's an interactive, and I always trying to have the live classes. So I think it's definitely, in that sense, I think there's not much difference between online and offline. Okay, and what would be your last sentence for IELTS today for me and for me?
Yes, sir. Actually, I will tell everyone that Sagar sir is really friendly. He will help you throughout everything, not only the lessons, or also your life problems and many things. And he's really friendly. He will encourage you, and he will provide you many things. And IELTS today is a really good platform. And even if it's in online, but you won't feel it, you will feel like sir is with us. And I would recommend you, if you want to do better in IELTS or better in English. Pick the best teachers ever.
Thank you so much. And these words mean a lot for me. And it's true that if I would be a bit rude or a conventional teacher, I think you would not be in the IELTS preparatory class. IELTS শুনলে, আমরা ইংলিশ শুনলে ভয় পাই, পোলা পান, সেখানে আবার IELTS এর ক্লাস এই বয়সে, এটা আসলে অসম্ভব হতো। ইভেন আমি মনে করি এই ভিডিওটা দেখার পর আমাদের অনেক মানুষের হয়তো তাদের অ্যাটিটিউড চেঞ্জ হতে পারে, যে IELTS শুধু বুড়াদের জন্য বা বয়স্কদের জন্য না, IELTS আসলে সবার জন্যই। যে চায় এটা দীর্ঘদিন ব্যাপী নিজেকে ইংলিশে এঙ্গেজ রাখতে চায়, তাহলে আসলে যে কারোর জন্য IELTS হতে পারে। থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ, অ্যান্ড মাই লাস্ট সেন্টেন্স ফর ইউ ইজ বেস্ট অফ লাক। কারণ আমার তো ছাড়বাই না, আমি জানি, সুতরাং ইয়াপ, আছি, অসুবিধা নেই, বেস্ট অফ লাক। Thank you so much for those nice words and your experience also. I'm really wishing wholeheartedly that you can reach your destination by the mercy of Almighty. And of course, remember the contribution of your parents. I know your father and mother, how they were doing for you and how are still they doing for you. So please do not forget, or forget is not the word. Do not neglect their this hard work levels for you. I hope you will try to be very much respectful, and they must be your best friends in every senses of your life. Thank you, and wishing you the brighter future, inshallah.